Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set same wallpaper for both home screen and lock screen. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to choose your picture. Now you can see here more option. Click on this. Now go to Set as Wallpaper. From here, you can see three options: Home Screen Wallpaper, Lock Screen Wallpaper, and Set as Both. If you want to set this picture for both sides, you just have to select your Set as Both and press on this sign option. That's it. So this is how to set same wallpaper for both lock screen and home screen. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.